I just found this 5/8 piece of aluminum, and it looks like it might make a good scriber. So I'm going to make a metal scriber out of it. It had this ball on the end of it, and it kind of looks neat, so I'm going to leave it there. So the first thing we're going to do is taper down the end a little bit here, so it looks a little bit more like a pencil. We're going to try about a 20-degree angle and just see how that works out. Now for your scribing point, you could use a broken drill, or better yet, a broken tap. Or if you don't have that and you have some water hardening drill rod, you could go for water hardening drill rod. Now this is a beefy scriber, so I decided to use the 1/4 inch. And I've already center drilled this, so we're now going to drill it with a letter D drill, which is 246 thousandths, and should provide a press fit for our 1/4 inch. See how that looks on the 1/4 inch? Yeah, I think that's going to go pretty nice. It almost goes, and that's just what you want, maybe a thou or two for the press fit on that. Okay, I've drilled a hole in that aluminum about 1/2 inch deep, and I'd like about 1 inch of the scriber sticking out at the end. So here we have 1.5 inches to cut off. Let's see if we can do this without taking the camera off the subject. There we go. All right, we're going to just rough this in now. Get it somewhere near looking like a point. That's pretty close. We can touch that up later if we need to. We're going to heat this up till it's nice and red. Just need it on the very end. We don't need the whole thing to be hard. Starting to get red. See that nice red glow on there? And we're going to dunk it in some cold water right now. Nice figure 8 movement there. Get rid of the bubbles. And that should be pretty hard right now. Okay, we started this on the lathe because it's hard to get that straight initially, and then we used a socket on top so that we wouldn't damage the point while we were pressing it in. I thought it might look nice to put a knurl on this, give you a little bit better grip on it, and make the project look a little neater as well, I think. I'll just put a little bit of knurl here on the end where we're going to grab it. And then we might polish that end piece up a little bit also, just to make it look nicer. There we go. We have a knurl. Okay, here's our finished product. And we're going to try it out on a piece of metal. Make a line. Nice line. And the other thing that we could show you here is When you're going to punch your punch mark on this, you don't have to get a magnifying glass to see if you're on the line. You drag the point across and you can actually feel the line. Right in the center. That's it for now. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.